It's a new day, it's a new video. Still not sponsored by Crocs, but it's all okay. Last video, we got the car torn all the way apart. Everything's taken off of it that needs to be. And this episode, we're gonna go ahead and finish welding up all the rust spots. We got the door finished last episode, and now we're gonna finish up the rest of it. I got some weld through primer and some etching primer. I'm gonna go ahead and spray on areas that need it and hopefully prevent any rust from ever coming back in the future. Can't prevent everything, but it's gonna definitely help. So let's go ahead and cut straight to that and start welding. Alright, we got everything all welded up. Can't really see much, and I didn't record it because you couldn't really see me welding it in the first place. But we got all these welded up, got this. This was probably the hardest part, just because I had to do a lot of bending and there wasn't really much to weld onto. But all that looks really good. Over here too. Yep, down there. And now we're gonna go ahead and tackle this. I'm gonna go ahead and grind off all this body filler. I'm gonna take a wire wheel to all this, try to get it cleaned up. And yeah, just see what we're working with. Probably get to cut out this good bit right here, and I wanna cut out that area right here because it's all mangled up and it's gonna be a nightmare, and I don't wanna body fill over that like they did. So we'll cut it up and replace it with all new sheet metal and should be good to go. A bit of cutting, modifying, grinding. We got this, got it all cleaned up, and I made these pieces. They fit right in, same metal thickness and everything. It took a while to make this piece, but I got it looking, can you see it? I got it looking pretty factory, I would say. We can go look at the other side so you guys can see how close it is. Yeah, I think that'll look pretty good. It's not gonna be perfect by any means, but definitely better than what was there. So I'm gonna go ahead and start tacking these on, and then slowly welding in place.
I guess it wasn't true. If I only knew what you put me through, I don't deserve this. I thought it'd be me and you. Could you still call me at the end of the day, and then you have nothing else to say? What do you want me to say? Try blending my inwards, that's all I know. You got to be oceans away.
It's too hot today to be welding. But it is all done, it is all welded. Yeah, it looks so much better. I'm really happy with how that turned out. Same thing right here. Yeah, it looks so much better. There's a hole I need to drill on this panel that I fixed or replaced. There's supposed to be a hole right there for the little chrome side skirt thing, but I think I'll do that later on. Now I'm going to sand everything down with some 80 grit and get it ready for some body filler. I'm gonna body fill some of these low spots right here and up there. And then I'm, yeah, body fill all that obviously too. Get ready for some high build. This I'm just gonna put like a thin coat over because it doesn't really need much. A lot of it's hidden and I don't wanna like, pile up a lot of stuff when it doesn't really need to. Yeah, that side's kind of wavy and stuff, so it's not too big of a deal. I just want it to look a little bit better and cleaner there. So I'm gonna grind all that down a little bit, scuff it up, get it ready for some body filler. All this side's welded up, that's welded up. All this was a pretty hard part, but it's all welded, looking good. Yep, I don't think there's any more rust on the car, so. Well, besides here, but I'm not gonna worry about that until I do the top, so. Yeah, everything looks really good, I'm really happy. You know I said it's really hot? Yeah, we're gonna go get a drink. I don't know if you guys like hard seltzers or anything, kind of like a White Claw or something, but this stuff is really good. Not sponsored, I just really like it and I want to get sponsored by them, so guys, check them out. They're really good. Called High Noon Sun Sips. Favorite's watermelon and black cherry, but all of them are really good. Alright, let's get back to work.
So we can meet it when it's started. About to go down. So what you doing tonight? It's everything I can't think of. Waking up anew, wasting time is all I do. But now when I'm with you, so much time, nothing to do. I'm dropping you texts now. Giving you my hand.
Alright, we got the first thing of body filler on. This is actually like fiberglass infused body filler. I usually try to use, what's it called? All metal whenever I'm going over my welds and stuff. That's just what I was taught up on. That's what I've always used, but I was out of it, so next best option is this just fiberglass infused body filler. But yeah, I just went over all the welds, fill up those little pinholes that I couldn't get with the welder. But got it all evened out, looks good. Went over all the current welds. I went ahead and banged this dent out. It was pretty decent in there, but it's all pulled out, so it should be good. Yeah, all this is nice and covered. Get a little bit in here. Didn't have to worry much about this because a lot of that's getting covered. All that looks really good. Nice and even. And the same thing underneath here. That should be it. Oh, also the door. Got all that. Just right where I welded the seams done. But yeah, we're gonna sand this down with some like 80 or 40 once it dries. And then we'll put regular body filler on and then top that off with a dolphin glaze. And then we'll be good. Ready for some high build. We're gonna take a break from the Figaro. I had a friend show up and bring me her car, and we're gonna install this front lip for her. So enjoy this time lapse. Well, we finished it. Do you like how it looks?
Love it.
You need to wash your car though. All right, she's gonna go ahead and leave. She's got like a 3-hour drive home, so we are gonna go back on the Figaro. I got all the body filler done. I just went over it with some glaze putty just to smooth everything out, get the little tiny things that the body filler couldn't get, fill in all the pinholes. And I started sanding it down, but I ran out of sandpaper. So I will have to get some tomorrow because it's already pretty late. But we'll get that done tomorrow. Actually, I'm gonna end the episode right there. I need to put it on video, and tomorrow is just like the better day for me to edit. So enjoy this video. Next video, we're gonna finish sanding once I get more sandpaper. And then we can go ahead and start priming everything, get some sealer on it. Yeah, it's gonna go by a lot faster after that. But yeah, it's all the rest is gone. All the holes are filled. If you like this video, hit that like button. It definitely helps me out. And if you wanna watch or just be notified whenever I come out with another video, you can hit that subscribe button. Yeah. All right, guys, I will catch you in the next one.